Hi everyone! In this video, I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the Chained Quiz plugin for WordPress. This plugin lets you build quizzes that adapt based on how people respond, ideal for when you want more than just a fixed set of questions. Let me show you how it works. Chained Quiz is a free WordPress plugin that lets you create quizzes with conditional logic. In other words, each answer can change what question comes next. It's especially useful for things like personality tests, product recommenders, or even educational quizzes, where each response can shape the path forward. To start, I went into the Chained Quiz tab in the dashboard, clicked Create New Quiz, and added a title. There's also a section to customize the final output message, which is what users see once they complete the quiz. You can use it to display a thank you note, include an image, or add a call to action. When it came to building the quiz flow, I could choose between single choice, multiple choice, or open-ended questions. I was also able to assign points to each answer, which is great for scoring or segmenting users. And I could control what happens after each answer, whether to jump to a specific question, move forward, or end the quiz entirely. For instance, I created a yes-no question as the opener. If the answer is yes, the quiz continues. If it's no, it ends immediately. That branching logic is where Chained Quiz really stands out. Once all the questions were added, I just had to define how each one connected. It takes a bit of planning, but the setup itself is fairly straightforward. After the questions, I created result screens based on different score ranges. 0 to 3 points showed one result, 4 to 5 showed another, and so on. You can also redirect users to another page or personalize the message they see at the end of the quiz. Plus, you can collect email addresses and send users their results by email. But to do this, you'll need to integrate the plugin with a mailing service like Arigato or MailChimp. Once connected, it can trigger automatic emails or even subscribe users to a list based on their quiz outcome. Once everything's ready, you publish the quiz by copying the shortcode and pasting it into any post or page. That's how it goes live on your site. I also found features like exporting user responses to CSV helpful, especially if you want to analyze results later or follow up manually. Overall, Chained Quiz gets the job done if you're looking to build personalized, logic-based quizzes directly in WordPress. I appreciated that it's free, supports unlimited questions, and offers a pretty flexible structure with conditional logic. That said, the interface is pretty minimal, and it's only available in English. If you're hoping for more styling options out of the box, or tighter integration with other tools, you might find those aspects a bit limited. And depending on your theme or other plugins, there could be minor compatibility issues to watch for. Still, if your focus is on functionality and dynamic quiz flows, it's definitely worth trying. That said, there is another tool that I'd recommend checking out, especially if you're after a more modern experience or enhanced engagement features. Nuclear Engagement. Nuclear Engagement makes it super easy to generate quizzes for your content, especially if you're using WordPress. With just one click, it can create AI-generated quizzes directly from your blog posts, saving you time while boosting engagement. What's really impressive is that it doesn't just generate one quiz. It can process all your blog posts at once in just a few seconds. That's a huge time saver, and honestly, I haven't seen other tools do that. You can fully customize the quiz settings, choose how many questions to include, and even set where the quiz appears, before, after, or within your content. Unlike some platforms, Nuclear Engagement lets you fine-tune everything, from question formats to email opt-ins and even post categories. It integrates seamlessly with automation tools like Zapier and Make, making lead capture effortless. If you're looking for a more customizable AI-powered alternative, check out Nuclear Engagement. I've added a link below so you can explore it for yourself.